Catch a flight, yeah, think we be gone for some days. It's about to chase some paper, I be gone for some days. What's up, y'all? Y'all see I got my work clothes on. We gotta go to work. Y'all see what's behind me. Y'all see what's behind me, bro. I don't know how many of these I'm getting, but it's a whole bunch of them. It's a whole bunch of them. Whole bunch of them, y'all. I don't know how many of them. Lord have mercy, man. I don't know. I don't know if I'm. I don't know, y'all. Y'all see when I get done. Y'all see when I get done. I'm finna have to go to work. All right, y'all. All right, back. Y'all see. We done got loaded. We got a long journey. 3 stops, y'all. 3 stops. Alright, we dropped off 2 times. I know y'all probably can't tell. They over there, y'all. They over there. I couldn't let y'all see. No, I couldn't let y'all see because I'm in the we gotta roll. I'm in a rush, y'all. So, alright, y'all. Man, y'all, don't be doing this when y'all come out here, man. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this, man. Don't be cutting it close, y'all. It ain't good for these trucks to run out of diesel. It's not good for any diesel vehicle to run out of diesel. But I made it, y'all. I done made it. So mama and papa, but I done made it. What's up, y'all? I'm in my 2nd stop, right? And man, I don't know about these folks. They told me to pull in, right? Then they said to go back out and bag in. Then the forklift driver, boy, he was helping me get in, so he was telling me to go this way, and I was trying to go this way. I'm like, man, you confusing me. So I'm in here, y'all. Made me get out my composure, man. Had me high as a firecracker. But I had to come talk to y'all to cool me down. But yeah, man. Be ready for that, y'all. Be ready for that when y'all come out here. I'm getting unloaded with these tires. I kept my composure, y'all. Had to come talk to y'all to cool me down. But yeah. I'm out, y'all, alright? I'll be back. I ain't got to my delivery location. Empty trailer. So we just chilling. But that field, about that field ticket, man. Get back in this truck. Just use your Come Data card, and you can like go to ATM and rent draw. But keep the receipt. Send in your receipt so you can get that back. So they won't take it off your check. Cause they will take it out your check. I seen them done it. Well, they done me like that before. So I had to make that call and tell them. I got the receipt, y'all. I got the receipt. So I sent it in. They gave it back to me, but that's a mistake. You don't want to run out of fuel. You do not want to run out of fuel. It would not look good, but you don't want to run out of fuel. But hope y'all enjoyed the video. I appreciate y'all guys, 100%. 100%. I appreciate y'all guys for the feedback that y'all give me and the love y'all show me. Cause I know y'all take the time out to watch my videos, but the ones that sticking with me and right now, that's sticking with me and that's holding it down for me right now. I ain't gonna forget about y'all. It's a little process, you know. I ain't gonna forget about y'all. So, but I'll catch y'all on the next one though. 21 out.